How to prevent online meanness as a digital citizen. Digital citizenship is thinking online, being online, and acting online. It is important to know how to be kind, safe, and secure online. So what happens when someone is mean to me online? The internet is a great place for people to interact and learn from one another, but it makes it easy for people to be mean and hide behind a screen. So how do I deal with online meanness and put a stop to cyberbullying? Some examples of online meanness could be sending mean messages, posting mean things about a person on a website, making fun of someone online, or doing mean things to a person's character in a game. So how can I be a good digital citizen when I see any of these things happening online? Use the stop method. The S stands for legs step away from the computer. The T stands for legs tell an adult what they saw. O stands for legs do not go back online until the adult says it is okay. P stands for legs should take a moment to pause and reflect on the situation. This may be telling someone how the situation made them feel, or talking it out face to face if an adult says it is okay. By using this method and being aware of different types of cyberbullying, we can put a stop to cyberbullying. Never let a friend go unhelped, and always tell an adult you trust when you witness any kind of cyberbullying.